Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Erin, and if you're new here, I make thrifting and decorating videos, and I also have an Etsy shop where I sell my vintage finds, and I will link my Etsy shop and my Instagram down below for you to check that out. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. I plan on doing a home tour, but I'm just going to do it room by room, and today is going to be the living room tour, and everything in my living room is 98% thrifted, except for the curtains and some pillows that I just got from HomeGoods recently. And this is just what my living room looks like on a daily basis before I decorate for the holidays. So let's get into the video. As soon as you walk into the front door, this is what you see in my entryway. On the other side of the entryway, I have this cabinet that I actually found on the side of the road, and I have hung my Wisp Broom collection on the side. If you like these green and white floral print pillows, I did just purchase them from HomeGoods over the weekend. We have bulky item in our town which is where people put items out to the side of the road that do not fit in the trash can. And me and my mom found this beautiful cabinet and we brought it home and cleaned it, and I put some of my collections inside. I made these pillowcases with some burlap sacks that I purchased from Tractor Supply, and then I just cut out an antler design on some fabric and glued it on. We are nearing the end of the living room tour. I hope you enjoyed this video, and always thanks for watching.